Welcome to Tammy's Maths. Today it's miscellaneous and it's more than one correct. More than one correct. The sum of the squares of three consecutive odd numbers is increased by unity. Then, divisible by 12, not divisible by 24, divisible by 16, none of this. The sum of the squares of three consecutive odd numbers is increased by unity. If, you can put if here, if you want to be more thorough, you can put if the sum of squares of three consecutive odd integers increased by unity. You can put then. It is divisible by 12. You can put anything. You can ask me, can I take three consecutive odd integer square and add 1 to that and check the answer? Yes, you can. But are you sure for any three you take that will be valid? They are not very sure, no? Okay. Then how I will do? Take the general. Consider the general. Let it be 2n minus 1. That's an odd integer. 2n plus 1 is an odd integer. 2n plus 3 is an odd integer. You add 1 to that. I want to see this expression is divisible by what? Okay? Expand it. Plus expand it. Four n square, 4n square, 4n square. 12n. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, and this 1 and this is 9. That will become 12. Take 12 outside. So obviously this is divisible by 12. This is correct. How do I check the others? Consider n square plus n plus 1. N square plus n could be written as n into n plus 1 plus 1. This is product of two consecutive integers. Product of two consecutive integers is always divisible by 2. Consecutive, one will be odd, one will be even. 2 into 3, 4 into 5. So product of two consecutive integers, it will be always even, always divisible by 2. Plus 1, so this will be odd. So this will be odd. So 2 cannot be a factor of this. When 2 cannot be a factor of this, 24 can't be a factor of this, isn't it? So not divisible by 24. This is what you have. The problem is over. But I would like to give you a small thing. Many things are like this, which you will know only by having a vast reading. You can't do magic in mathematics. You can do magic provided you are a good learner. You're a very hard-working person. You work a lot. For example, I'll give you any odd number square you take. When you divide it by 8, the remainder will be 1 and always 1 only. Take any odd number square. Any odd number square. You can try it. 5 square. Square it. 25. Divide by 8. What do you get? What's the remainder? Take 7. 7 square. 49. Divide by 8. What do you get? These are used in so many questions. How will you know this? Only by learning. Only by working varieties of questions. For example, this is 4n square plus 4n plus 1. Take 4 outside. N square plus n, it is n into n plus 1 plus 1. Hooray! What I thought there, you're going to get the same here. This is divisible by 4. N into n plus 1, product of two consecutive, it is even. So this is divisible by 8. plus 1. So when you divide this by 8, the remainder will be 1. Like this, you have so many things in number system which you will learn only by practicing and learning and by doing enormous number of questions with deep involvement. So this is the answer for this question where I have more than one correct. So we'll be see another question in the next video which is very interesting.